Okay, hi guys. This is still Miracle handling the session. I got interrupted in the other video, so this continuation of what I'm trying to explain on the USDJPY. So, I said that once I find a price move above 132.088, and I'll go long on USDJPY. The market created the best entry from a discount zone discount level last week. I think last week Friday, yes, on Friday at 61.8 Fibo level, but probably we missed that. Then remember this trend line had been taken out of, which that's also a falling channel, and this high had been taken out, so we already have a break of market structure. So if we must continue the downtrend, then the market has to take out this particular structure here. So in any way you find an entry, then your stop loss should be quite below here. Okay, but using the smart money concept like a small stop loss, I'm trying to look for a good entry. The market, like I said, created the best entry here. So I don't really know if they will come back here. But if you find the market come back to this price, 130.3, then it could be a good place to plan your entry. Currently, the market is trading between 130.3 and 131.7. So it had been on the range from, I guess, on Tuesday or on Wednesday to Friday. So for me, this just the correction of this impulsive move that we saw last 2 weeks. And then that impulsive move, sorry, we saw last week. It started, the impulsive move actually started last 2 weeks, Friday, then completed on Monday. Then from Tuesday, we started having correction. And then that correction lasted till Friday. So a break into this 132.0 would mean a continuation of the buy for me. That's USDJPY. That's USDJPY. That's USDJPY. So that still remains my bias. I'll go long. Just the entry where we should find our entry. The market could come back here. Okay. So that's just it. So the more they come down, the better. Like the more sell we have, the better. Already we have a fair value gap here. So if peradventure they should come into this zone, wow, amazing. So just to look for a good candlestick, then pick your buy there. You already spoke on CAD JPY. I spoke on this. So USD CHF, just a very quick one. I just want a break of this. So if the market breaks here, then we'll go long on USD CHF. Okay. Sorry. I just don't need to do much there. So that's just what I'm looking at. So just watch for the candle. Just watch out for the candle. As the worst case, the market will come down here, but I'm really not expecting this to happen. So I'm not really looking at the fundamentals. That's one thing you should always do. Try to pay attention to the fundamentals. Look at what's happening on the fundamental level. So I've not done that actually. Okay, this market created lots of divergence from this price. So creating divergence. So I'm still looking at that. Okay, so what am I looking at? Euro USD short bias on Euro USD. Short bias on Euro USD. Short bias on Euro USD. Market created the falling wedge here, and then we can see the drop. Okay, we do have a trend line down here, so that's still far away. So the market has to drop some average. Okay, first of all, we had this breach, but price didn't respect, and we had a push up. one more time. So currently it started dropping, and my first target is okay. Let me go down to huge one. This is my first target actually. This is my first target. Though this seems to be a double bottom, and this is a shark harmonic here, but I'm not really gonna consider all that. Anything you want to see on your chart, you would always find it. So I just want to stick to what I'm looking at. Yes, there's a possibility of this having this market push up to this around this area. So peradventure that happens, just plan your entry there. Wait for it and plan your entry there. Okay, like I said, this is my first target. Okay, why do I have this line? Let me take it out. So actually we can have this market keep dropping. So since it closed with this, we can look at a break of this low. So this is already the low of last week. The market closed on the low. The market closed on the low of last week. So I don't know how this week will open. If they open with a gap, then we could wait for it. So we can just wait for have a break and retest. Can have a break and retest of that level. I'm just trying to look at various possibilities. You know, I won't be there when the market will open. So I know we have different levels of traders. So for me, this bullish move, then look for a short position above there is the worst case scenario. If not, this is my first case scenario, though this is what I'm expecting firstly from Euro USD. Okay, then this is my second outlook. But I'm still, like I said, I'm very much bearish bias on it, which this is my first target, and then looking at this, then a possible break of that. Break of that. Okay. So that's all. I would have been looking at other pairs, but I guess I have to end it here. I have to end it here. So I can actually have this. Can have this. So first, second, and then my final outlook. Could also trade. Okay, we have this, and then this. Okay, so this is just my bias on it. As time goes on, I would give update on it during the week if there is need. If not, to next weekend. All right, guys, I'm really happy to have you on this channel. If you got value, just subscribe and then follow us on our social media. I'm already planning I'm having a session where I train people on how to code, on how to create forest robots and indicators with zero coding actually. So you can be part of it. Just check out our videos. You'll see one of the links that could help you to access it, or follow us on social media. Send us a DM and we'll teach you how to code forest, how to create forest robot with zero coding, and also how to create indicators. Thank you very much, guys, for being part of this, and enjoy the rest of the day. Don't forget that this is not an advice for investment, but it's purely educational. It's purely for educational purposes. All right, take care. Thank you.